Experience comfort and style in a whole new way with Globe's smart ceiling fan. Enjoy unrestricted power with unparalleled tranquility thanks to the DC motor. Energy savings you can feel. Take control like never before. Engage the fan and lighting independently or simultaneously with the wireless remote, Globe Suite, or a voice assistant. With Smart, enjoy customizable home automation for a hands-free experience tailored to your specific needs. Thoughtfully engineered for all-season comfort, enjoy the reversible fan directions. Illuminate your world with a spectrum of tunable white light and vibrant colors, setting the perfect mood for every moment. Premium quality, designed so you can feel the difference. Globe, the creative energy company.